something special. I take you on a shopping spree, cause I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. Oh my, I'm so into you. Baby, what you like, what you wear? See the name, see the price, put them diamonds on your ear. Shining like a chandelier. What's your thoughts, what's your fears? Yeah, I need that real love. Talking Bobby and Whitney. You don't gotta worry about nothing as long as you.
You're waiting.
Face cover required.
It's required, but very minimal. So we're gonna enter this quarantine tent bubble, and they're gonna scan our temperatures.
It's hot in here though, so it probably bumps up your temperature in it. It's just Aquatica's on some weird shit. They're giving you a high temperature.
Right, and it's burning hot.
I can't breathe now, just walking in there. You gotta invite Matt one day.
Right. This is somewhere you need a mask. It's like only required to go in inside of stores.
Oh.
Best thing you could get. Spend the 10-15 bucks, because when you come back you spend about $5 or $1 and you get refills. $5 for the day, $1 for the cup. Matter of fact, we were blessed today to just get $1 refill for the day. Woo woo. Buckle that baby up. You buckles it up. Buckle. Buckle. Ugh. Oh! Hey. Did you want to show them? Ooh.
Got him.
Where you at?
Right here.
You're tickling my feet. There's literally nobody in the water. You heard me drink the water.
Oh no 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 no.
Where are you going? Come back. Water. Latin.
And we just walked away.
Dang, I don't even know the name for that ride. There's a ride, kind of like the one for 3 to 6 people, but it's more for like 2 people. It's smaller. They weigh you and then they weigh you at the top again. However, you can record with a GoPro basically on nothing you have to hold on to. So that sucks. We can't record no rides. But we can record the baby stuff and the river, and we can probably sneak our camera onto a ride. We'll try.
On Volcano Bay today.
Into Volcano Bay? Tell me how you're gonna do that.
I guess I am.
And here
It's so empty here though.
tomato racers, is that how you say it?
Tomata.
Tomata! Tomata! Okay, because I can't believe you said it.
Was that cute?
Yeah.
I said I'm a punk when it comes to water rides, so I'll walk to the top with you on anything you want to get on, then I'll walk back down. I love you.
I love you. Karali curl. Oh, makaraka. You get soaked on that one too. And Wanaway. Wanaway?
That's
Wanaway. I'm probably pronouncing all of the rides wrong, but it's whatever. You can see what it is. Taste. This is COVID. Can you believe that? No mask. We actually got a mask. I mean, a video with no mask during COVID. Coronavirus. They're actually for younger infants. And they have baby tube ride slides, little water fountain slides. I remember this one right here. I would get on when I was little, and you literally walk 3 steps and slide down. That's for the kids right there. That's for the young bulls. The Walla Wave is the only one that's closed. This one's open, but you literally can only bring 3 to 6 people. That sucks. So we can't get on. I bet you didn't even want to get on. Hey, full time. Full time. Again, got him. As the river. It feels finally as cool as the river. Try and get wet. Up there, look. The bucket up there. See if I get wet. There's probably more buckets this way. Alrighty. You're racers. Your mark, that's that go. You gotta wait. Wait. Are you marked? Get set. Go. That thing takes my whole top off. Oh. I won this. What? I won this. We'll watch the footage. Can we go to the wave pool? I hope I recorded that. I won't stop recording. You want to do it again? Do it again. What? You stopped when I started?
On the mark. You're just set.
The go! I hit my elbow.
You okay?
Yeah. Wait, is it full? Is it full? Wait, am I in the right place? This way? Are you gonna throw it? That's it? Oh. That was wet. Wait, Vince! Do this one. Good job.
You're so... Hold on. On your good mark. Get set. Go.
That's about, but this is closed. That's open, but no one's on it. Been here for an hour.
What's up with these though?
These are fire. You have these premium loungers, or I'm saying it completely wrong, but they're fire. And then you have these cabanas, which have a locker, a fridge, 2 chairs, towels, everything you possibly need to get lit.
With me.
This is the open wave pool. Lit. Yeah, you do.
I'm 25 years old. I'm young as fuck.
But you said you don't shrink when you get older. That's a lie. People do shrink.
Alright, so let's
Like scoliosis, hunchback, stuff like that affects how you stand up. So right now we are in 4'10", 5 foot.
So
he is
she's-
6'1", and he's neck deep.
Go ahead, look at you.
Hold up. Here, I'm trying to give you the camera.
Can you float? Look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her. She's going under, she's going under.
Your finger's on the camera. How they can see me?
I see you. Look. Oh shit.
I want a full foot under. So maybe I am 4'11" because the water was right over my head.
She's 4'11" and I'm 5 foot, I guess. I guess I'm 5'2".
He's a 5'2", but
Here, hold
I'm
up.
pretty sure he didn't get the video because the finger was on the finger, on the camera, on the lens. But sure.
Delivery.
Your paquete is here. Your lifetime right. Oh, you dropping me off? No. That's not nice.
I dropped you off. The paquetitos here.
Yeah, you better pick me.
Who the fuck is screaming like that?
I don't know, but should we record and say fuck them and put it in our pocket?
And then we lose the GoPro.
Again on a ride like that?
And
Nah.
they told us not to bring it.
You donkey me like I'm a donut and milk. An Oreo and milk. They're in the wave pool. Yes. Ew. Yes.
Ready?
Ready?
Set.
Steady.
Where's she at? Oh, I thought I lost you for a second. Thirst up. You want to go there? You good?
I got water in the...
Come here.
The baby got water in the nose.
Just swim yourself, dude.
I did swim. I just drank water through my nose.
Save yourself. Save yourself.
Come back.
The black line's right here. The black line, black line. Get it, get it.
Black line right here. And it says weak or non-swimmers should not go beyond the black line without
I'm going in if I'm
a
not
life
back.
vest.
I'm going in if I'm not back in 2 minutes.
Just leave. Okay, bye.
That slide like it's that scary and shit.
Okay, so we got 2 minutes to go from this line to the wall and back. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm ready. You got an advantage. It's all You can touch the floor.
I can't.
You're just sleeping. You could touch it. You gotta touch the wall. We're almost to the line. faster, you got 2 hands. Turtle race. This is a turtle race. Turtle race. Ow, that's my belly. Stations. And well, I just wanted to record this. This is canoa ice with different flavors. We're leaving. It's been a pretty good day. Aside from that, off we go. Back to the dolphins. Come back. Come play over here. Look at the cow!
Come here!
They're so cute! They're still happier in the wild.
Have you seen them in Cali?
Is that a Mickey whale? No, that's a topsy-turvy, but we did see
Yes.
a Mickey whale in Cali.
I thought that was the whales that swim in blue.
Those?
They were swimming with the waves.
Oh!
There's one right
They
there.
weren't black and white though, so I'm not-
No, that probably was the Patchy and the other dolphins. Because they look like it. Well, that is
They
a
were
dolphin.
smaller though.
Yeah,
Is that a dolphin or what?
it is. It is. I don't know anymore. Now we gotta ask. And there's another one all the way in the back in the cage. Exit. Right.
Cause she could get sticky.